just need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all the selfish ways I'd spend my time without her.
I'm at the gym. I'm so sweaty. I'm going home. Hey, it's freaking hot, okay? I have to go buy a bar because I gotta get protein in, even though I don't even know if I like really believe in that stuff, but that's okay. Oh my god, I need the AC on. It's so hot. Okay, it feels like actually spring today, which is like rare. There's a lot of people buying plants at that store.
5 minutes later.
Okay, we're back. It's so freaking hot. Like, it's amazing. It's not really hot. It's just nice out, and I'm sweating. I get this. Apparently, whey protein is not good for you, but I never really read up on it or anything like that, so I'm just gonna go with it. There's a guy in the passing lane that's going like probably speed limit, but like on the highways, do you really go speed limit? No. And something smells like fart. So that's gross. Okay, I'm nude. I want to take a shower. And that's it. So I just showered and it felt really good. And if you ever wanted to go to the gym, do it. It's so nice. So nice. It makes you feel so good. And I mean, at least for me, like, I feel like I could run a marathon right now. But I'm starving and I need to get some food in my belly, so I'm gonna go eat. This is my lunch. Sorry, fish. So I don't know why, but when I record stuff on my phone, it drains my battery so much. It's actually ridiculous. Ridiculous. Is it just me? I mean, I have the iPhone 6, so that might be why. There's like 4 dead ladybugs and 1 dead fly on my window, so just in case you were wondering, because, okay. Because no reason, they're just dead on my window, so. I'm gonna make food, and I don't know what I'm making yet, but I'm gonna make some yummy foods. It might not be that yummy, I don't know, I'm not really that hungry, but I have to eat because it's 6 p.m. and I have to eat before I go anywhere because Cree doesn't have food. I'm not hungry at all, but I have to eat. So I was 99.9% sure that I knew what college I was going to, and then I got accepted to the University of Arizona for sustainable architecture, which is a really awesome career that I would be totally interested in. Like, I'm not sure if I really want to do that, but I don't know. But Arizona is 34 hours away from here, and it's 1,000,000 degrees every day. And it's a lot, like, it's double the tuition of the other school. So I don't know. Hello! Hi, kitty! This is my evil cat that eats all of my plants. Psst. Not cool. I had a banana for dinner, and I bet $1,000,000 that I'm going to be hungry at like 9 p.m. Like, I want Chinese or something like that. This is my OOTD. I got this yellow sweatshirt on, Nike, thrifted. Cree got it for me. He didn't really get it for me, but he gave it to me, and he wants it back, but like, no. And then I have some leggings from Express, and that's the fit. I have to pee. That's cool. These are coming with me because these go in my car. They go in my car all the time. All the time, all the time, all the time. Girl, ooh, girl. I have homework. Apparently. Maybe I should take it and do it. Yeah, I'll take my homework. Yeah, why not? Okay. I'm probably not gonna do it, but it's the thought that counts, right? Alright. Alright. I'm coming. I'm putting my shoes on. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm here. Okay. I'm going. We going. We on our way. We're ready. We're going. Bye. Vroom, 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 vroom. I'm bringing Gray a cupcake. My mom made these. And I'm also bringing one for me because you can't forget yourself. And I'm bringing oh yeah, it is vitamin C. We're on our way. We're on our way. We're on our way. We're on our way. If you have radio and no aux cord, you feel the pain. It sucks a lot. So hard. You have to, like, it sucks. We only live 10 minutes away from each other, so that's nice. Because otherwise I would not drive this much to his house. Ever. I came bearing gifts.
What'd you get? Emergency, boy.
I got you some. Because you're sick.
I think I have some.
Where, John?
Ned Flanders. Aaron.
Hi. You scoop. I also brought your pants back.
Finally. Thanks.
You don't even wear them.
You do?
The Pensé pants?
Mm-hmm. They're soft and comfy.
Stop. Why'd you bite me?
I don't know.
That's rude. Stop biting me.
You're getting in my way of progression.
You
You brought two? One for me, one for you, huh?
Mm-hmm. So you can have an emergency date. Ow, that actually really hurt. You bit me so hard.
You bitch! Why would you put it on my thing?
What? I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I did not.
Get,
That was you.
Go. Get a towel.
It's
go.
gone. It's gone.
Yeah, I ate you. I don't think I put it on. I have to watch the replay.
Yeah. Ow! What was that for?
I don't know.
Special Agent also. No, it's okay,
My mom's on that?
Rev. Hi.
Dude, I did it.
You did what? Oh, you did it yourself?
You did it.
Looks fine to me.
What'd you
Look
do?
even.
What?
Eyebrows.
I can't see.
You could to me. You need to pluck the peak though. The peak's a little.
Yeah.
Yeah, pluck the peak.
I don't have any tweezers. I think your mother took them all.
I have toenail clippers that are small.
You say toenail clippers?
Ew!
Yeah.
You do your eyebrows?
My mom used to
Pluck
do
the
it.
peak.
Pluck the peak. I just made you sick, by the way.
No, you didn't.
You just don't bump my arm again.
Huh?
Don't bump my arm again. Especially when I'm using black.
Ah, Special Agent Oso.
I don't know what that means.
It's a show. You don't know Special Agent Oso?
No.
From this angle, it looks like I have no eyebrows. From this angle, you still know that I don't have eyebrows.
You so fucking precious when you smile.
I just did 58 vocab words. Ask me how I feel. Okay, so it's approximately like 9:20.
That's what?
And we just ordered Chinese. I told you it was gonna happen. Right, Raph? I always think about that one time when I when I broke my toe. Ready?
Turn it on the side. Hey,
Well, we were having a mukbang.
you sure that's what it's called?
Mukbang, yeah.
I don't think you know.
I think I know.
I don't think you do.
Yes. I do know. This is why I have to have a case. I'm come sit by you and get a mukbang.
Thanks.
Do you have any life advice?
No. Don't be a pussy. What do you mean?
I don't know. I was just wondering. Oh. If you do this, does it shield the light from your eyes like me? I'm better.
Thought my eyebrows don't look like caveman's.
I want your pork fork.
Work. I want a veggie. Can I have a veggie? Maybe some broccoli?
Yeah. From here?
It's the same.
Okay. Inconsiderate.
Oh,
Ew, you're sick.
I didn't lick it.
You got your fork in there.
I've been dipping my fork in it.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I am going to shower and I'm going to bed. And it was a pretty fun day, I would say. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to. That'd be so awesome. You can join my little family. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
No one even cares.
Tell my friends that I don't need you. Last time we spoke was spring break and that see-through conversation we had in the ocean with the waves brought me down. Boy.